Hello everyone. So today we are talking roses, and specifically we are talking proven winner roses. And right now what you just saw me doing was cleaning off the black spot from our roses. This time of year, that is just something that we are doing in spring because it rains so much and they usually get the black spot. So we're running around doing all the cleanup for the roses, making sure they don't have any type of disease, spraying them. But while we are doing all this running up and down, taking care of our roses, there has been 2 roses that I haven't even had to touch. And I am very excited to show you guys. One of them, the first one I'm going to show you is called OSO Easy Peasy from Proven Winners. It just came out this year. We received it last year, and I planted up in a small container, small terracotta, and when we got here, I went ahead and put it in the ground. Now, excuse the area here. It's a new bed that we are working in. But first thing that we went ahead and did, I came around and took, as soon as spring arrived, I put this one in here, OSO Easy Peasy rose. And look at that, guys. Full of roses, clusters. I love to say they're bouquets and more to come. But the awesome thing about it is that there's no black spot. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, we do go ahead and spray every single rose in our garden, but this rose is just there to enjoy. I haven't done anything to it, meaning pick out any black spot. We just walk around right by it, and we're just actually enjoying it. So today I am going to go ahead and pot up another rose from Proven Winners. So let's go ahead and go over there so I can show you. I was just so excited to show you this one because first of all, it's blooming, the pink gorgeous blooms, and I'm just excited to know that there is varieties that you can really count on that you can actually just enjoy. Oso Easy Double Red. This is a new one that I got for this year, and it's just beautiful, guys. The roses are just beautiful. I waited a little bit to do this video so y'all could see it. It was full. It's full with buds. There's more on the way, more roses on the way. And it did come when it arrived because we ordered this one. It already had a couple of buds, and when it started to bloom, it had this exact color, the red. But towards the end, it just gave out the most beautiful deep pink, which that was really something very surprising to see. And I love pink, so it was perfect to have it start red and then for us do the pink at the end. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'll let you know a little bit about it first. Full sun rose. It's 3 to 4 feet tall and wide, and it should bloom from summer to frost. Now it's early spring and it's doing its thing right now. Not early spring, I'm sorry. It's towards the middle of spring right now and it's doing its thing. So I'm guessing it depends on the weather. It's getting warmer here. It's flowering really nice. So let's go ahead and pot it up. So after I have put my mulch in there, I have put my soil, I'm going to go ahead and put some biotone in here just so it starts to help out with the roots. Roses love this so much. It really, really benefits them. Gets them off to a really good start. Okay, the soils are ready, and I was taking off the tag, and I just wanted to go ahead and read this to you guys because I forgot to tell you. I was explaining to you how I go ahead and spray on my roses, but as I'm reading the tag, it says here, non-stop waves of big brightly colored blooms define OSO Easy Double Red Rose. This low maintenance shrub doesn't need deadheading or spraying. So how easy is that? And I know it's true. So I know that before in the beginning I told you guys that we do spray them because it's just something natural that we do around here. We go ahead and spray them with neem oil from Espoma Organics, but you don't have to, so that's amazing. And deadheading, I know for a fact that you don't need to deadhead them because the one I have, the OSO Easy Peasy I've had for a while, I don't have to deadhead it at all. So that's amazing to know that there is roses that are that easy. So here we go. Make sure it's not too low in there. It's sitting just right. Now this one doesn't have a scent. Ambrose though, my husband says it does. It's a little back and forth thing we've been going with, but it doesn't have a scent. And making sure that it's not too low, guys. Get a little bit more soil. But there's people that, so I personally love roses that have a fragrance. But there's people that really don't care for the fragrance. It can be too much for them. So this is a perfect rose that you can add to your garden if you just want to have the blooms. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it up on top with some mulch, just so it can go ahead and keep its moisture, because where we are going to place it is in a very sunny spot up in the front of the house. I'll be placing this later because we're still working with the front area. I just wanted to go ahead and plant it now because it's blooming, and I wanted everyone to see the beautiful roses. I wanted y'all to see how beautiful the roses are. So a question asked a lot is, what type of rose do you recommend? Lately I've been saying the Proven Winners brand roses, just because how easy they are to care for, especially for the, there's a lot of people that tell us we want to start a rose garden, we want to start taking care of roses, but they're just so much maintenance, and they can be, we find it actually in a funny way, we find it soothing to care for them, but you don't always either, for one reason or another, find yourself out there deadheading or taking off black spot or whatever the case is. So if you're looking for an easy rose, either you're a first-time rose grower, or you just got tired of doing all that other work, I recommend these because so far they have done amazing. I've had the OSO Easy Peasy for a while now. It's done great. I really haven't done anything to it. Just like I said, walk by it and it's happy as can be, blooming away, and I don't even have to touch it, and it's been doing amazing. So another thing I wanted to mention, we will be placing this one in front of our home, a full sun. Right now I won't be placing it there because we are still working with that area. And but if you want to see any updates on what we're doing, usually we put a lot up on, before we show it on YouTube, on Instagram and Facebook. There's where you can find us, guys, and you can see what we're up to daily, because that's all we're doing is out in the garden, enjoying right now the time and getting it going, getting our garden started. So there you have it, guys. Easy rose to go ahead and not even touched for deadheading or anything. It's an OSO Easy Rose from Proven Winners, and this one's called Double Red. So thank you very much, guys, for watching the video, and we will see you later. Bye. How pretty is that? Beautiful.